Wow. If you're a Dogecoin holder, I'm sure you guys are beyond excited right now. And not only Dogecoin, I'm sure if you are a crypto holder right now, you are beyond excited as to what's happening with the crypto space over the course of the last, few days. The last 2 weeks, what the crypto market has been able to achieve in the last 2 weeks alone is always going to be looked back at, in my opinion. But yeah, like a lot is happening. So you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. It's up 20% over the course of the last 24 hours. And not only that, it's a really exciting update if you're a Dogecoin holder. And of course, we're going to talk about why that is. Majority of the meme coin market is actually still lagging because it's the utility projects that are moving. But Dogecoin actually went up today along with Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu is not matching what Dogecoin's doing. Dogecoin's up 18.1%. You want to pull out the charts. I'll give you guys a little bit of more visuals as to why this is such a big deal. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at Dogecoin's price right now, guys, I can't wrap my head around. I swear I can't wrap my head around the fact that Dogecoin's price is back above 45 cents. Currently sitting at 46.3 cents, up 17.4% in USD, also up 17.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at $68.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume right now is none other than 22.5 billion. Major shift for Dogecoin itself, and this has left the entire crypto, and a lot, and to be quite frank with you, a lot of projects have left the crypto markets, the crypto market, people in the crypto markets, as well as, the finance world, or, the global world. People are speechless at the fact that, what some of these coins are doing. Dogecoin is up 22.5% over the course of the last few days. Not only that, that's not the most exciting part. The market valuation is approaching $70 billion, guys. Let that sink in. And can Dogecoin hit a $1 price point? Who are we to say no? At the rate Dogecoin is flying right now, an all-time high is not even an unrealistic thing to be even discussing at this point. That's how big of a deal this really is. The reason why the meme coin market exists to this day is due to Dogecoin. If there was no Dogecoin, I personally don't think there would have been a meme coin market at the magnitude of a level that we're seeing it at 136.4 billion cumulative, market valuation for this meme coin category. It exists based off of the first mover, which is Dogecoin itself. And Dogecoin is gaining a lot of momentum. Remember, the Department of Government Efficiency, that's a real thing, and coincidentally, you're seeing that abbreviation towards Dogecoin, and that's being discussed on the public stage. That's being discussed by Elon Musk, who's the reason as to why Dogecoin went to the likes of all-time highs last cycle. He's using it, he's playing with it, and this time around, I think Dogecoin reaches much higher price points because of the fact that Elon Musk is appointed the head of Department of Government Efficiency, as well as Vivek Ramaswamy. So that just tells you everything you need to know, and a lot of excitement coming into Dogecoin. Not like anyone expected, even myself. I honestly did not think Dogecoin would reach the likes of these prices in this short span of time. But that's part of crypto, guys. And if you kind of go back, if you've been following the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, and I'm not just talking about Dogecoin updates, if you watch my updates on a regular basis, I say there are times in crypto where months and months you're seeing boring price action, and all it takes is just a few weeks for the market to flip, just in a snap. And that's a perfect example what we're seeing right now over the course of the last few weeks for the crypto industry. But let's take a look at what's happening with dominance. Of course, dominance fell down. We saw dominance going to the likes of 62% just a few days back, but since then, dominance is pulling down pretty much since Gary Gensler came out and announced that he's going to be resigning early next year. That has pretty much brought the dominance down. Bitcoin holding quite strong after hitting almost $100,000 price point. We know the $100, not $100, $100. I'm sure like everyone wishes they could get their hands on Bitcoin at $100, but $100,000, as we know, it's a psychological price point. People have been talking about this level for years and years, we're about to see that actually become a reality this time around. So of course it's going to break the internet. Everyone's going to be talking about it, and the bulls and the bears are at an extreme fight right now, and I think we will see the bulls coming at the top. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here for Dogecoin. We're here for Dogecoin. We're here for Dogecoin. And as you guys know, I keep it 100% realistic on this channel, unbiased opinion. But what Dogecoin is doing right now, let me tell you, what Dogecoin is doing right now is beyond. It's beyond bullish. And let me explain why. So of course, already we know what the price has been able to do. So let's kind of zoom in if you guys want a little bit of a reminder as to what has happened. So from November 4th, there we are. November 4th, the price was actually sitting below the 78.6, literally at 14 cents. Dogecoin's up 236% since then. And that's not the craziest part. We're actually sitting in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time. Yes, guys, for the first time since 2021 May, over 3 years ago. And this right here, if you were a Dogecoin holder, my apologies, I just dropped my phone on the table, but because I'm very excited, as you guys know. But if you're looking at Dogecoin right now, guys, 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level retest, first time since May of last year. Remember what I said when I said if we're able to break out of this key resistance at 35 cents, fireworks will start, because we're pretty much clear to go into the 38.2. And speaking about resistance, literally at the neckline, we've seen retests happen. You'll see a little bit of a rejection, but this time around, you saw that pop out, and we are sitting in the 38.2. And I would not be surprised, because now what the craziest thing is, let's kind of go back down memory lane from the previous cycle. Look at what happened, guys. There's not much. And I repeat, there's not much resistance, maybe around the 51.8 cents a little bit. After that, I think Dogecoin is pretty much clear to make its way up to the 56.3 cents key resistance. And that is the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And you guys know on this channel, the 23.6 Fib zone, I treat it as an all-time high territory. So we could actually see Dogecoin hitting an all-time high before this year comes to an end. Let that sink in. This is absolutely madness. This shows you how fast things change. And is this time around because Elon Musk has the support of Donald Trump? Are we about to see Dogecoin actually being purchased by Elon Musk, and him announcing that SpaceX as well as X hold Dogecoin? And imagine what kind of magnitude this happened. Speaking about ETFs, people would have laughed a few years ago thinking that Dogecoin or a meme coin is going to get an ETF, but I've been quite clear. I think an ETF is going to come for a meme coin, and I think it's going to be for Dogecoin, considering what Dogecoin is doing. A lot of people are going to be interested, and look at this specific move, guys. I think we're about to make history for Doge in the upcoming days ahead of us. If you want to think about it in this perspective, it's only a 22% move for Doge to hit the 23.6 key resistance, and if that is able to close, guys, I think we're about to see something absolutely crazy play out. But what I would recommend right now, if you're looking at your portfolio and you're looking at some massive gains, have some stop losses in place just in case, right? That way, if the market were to kind of turn around, your profits are safe. But I want you guys to take a look at it on the hourly time frame to really understand what Doge was able to do. So look at the significance of that key resistance. Yet again, another confirmation. Once we broke out of that key resistance, that same exact resistance played as a level of support. We bounced back and forth, and pretty much held above that key support line, which of course was a support, no longer resistance. And then of course today we saw that pop out, and right now you're sitting at 38.2, and amazing. You cannot ask for anything better, and I think we are about to see Doge making history and start retesting the likes of the 23.6. So very exciting to say the least. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.